StarArmory is a utility I've created that allows you to add custom modded clothes and armors to various NPC factions in the game. It does this in a way that should be easy for anyone to do without any previous modding experience. So as you can see, we're walking through New Atlantis here, and various modded clothings have been added to the crowds. So how do we use StarArmory? StarArmory is a Windows application that has a list of factions. These factions represent collections of leveled item lists that these various mods can be injected to. So we select the faction we want to target, and then we select the mods we want to use. So for example, if I only wanted the various armors, suit mods to be applied to Crimson Fleet, I can select them and then add them to the faction leveled list. So we can see here now the Crimson Fleet only supports these mods. Then we repeat that with each of the factions that we require. The reason for this is we don't want to have a separate ESM for each of the different factions, because there is a limited amount of ESMs to load, so we may as well merge these all into one. So once the plan is complete and you have selected the various tools, you can click Build ESM. What that does is it exports a StarArmory patch ESM to your data folder, which we can see here. So that is now there. So the next step will be, assuming you know how to get plugins working, to have the StarArmory patch in your load order, and that will apply the mods to the various leveled items, and you'll be able to see them in game and loot them from enemies. So that is the basics of it. So for users, that should be all you need to do. So to dig into how it works, the StarArmory has these faction YAML files. So if we look at them here, yes, so the YAML file is broken into the name of the faction, which is used in the UI, and then multiple different lists of items, so hats, clothes, spacesuits, space helmets, and booster packs. Basically what happens is when we load the mods, we look for the keywords on the armor items telling us which of these things they are. Are they clothes, hats, spacesuits, etc.? Then we build a big list of all the new spacesuits from the loaded mods menu, and we then target these leveled items and add those new modded things into that item. Yeah, that's about it. So as you can see here, we can add new spacesuits, we can add new factions and stuff. Also the mod name is here, so it can technically support non-Starfield ESM leveled items. That's a work that hasn't been tested, but yeah, and that's it. So feel free to leave any comments and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching.